Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends. Wel- Welcome back my YouTube channel Rimsha Decoration. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the day of life. If you know about my YouTube channel or all like video, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and please make sure press the bell icon. So you told any other amazing video like this one, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And then don't miss any other amazing video designs and decorations. So guys, please watch this video to end. So guys, I am back a beautiful idea about birthday cake decorations in different styles, different color combination and different sizes. Here are some amazing, delicious and eye-catching pink cake decorating ideas that suit both homeland and professional parties. I hope you enjoy my video. Most beautiful, most amazing and most creative designs. If you new my YouTube channel or are like video, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And then don't miss any other amazing video designs and decorations. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. How to decorate your cake with a beautiful way. I provide you simple cake ideas from your birthday celebrations. That is most essential, that is most creative. I hope you enjoy my video. The creativity are mentioned on my YouTube video. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. If you are interested in these types of designs, in these types of decoration, then please visit my channel. And then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube video. I hope you enjoy my video. I hope you love cake designs. I hope you love the cake creativity. Thank you so much guys for watching my to share, to like YouTube video. And I hope this design and this creativity are fantastic. And I hope this video is very authentic and creative. For the beautiful video and beautiful ideas. If you are interested in these types of design, then please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. If you have any question about my YouTube channel, then please ask me in comment box. Cake decoration ideas can evaluate any celebrations. Cake decoration ideas transfer space into bright celebrations. All the designs are very unique and trending. If you like more ideas, specific decorating tips, then please visit my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. These decorations bring the excitement of birthday person's life and make the party unforgettable. These designs are very unique. If you like any designs and if you new my YouTube channel, then please ask me in comment box. Then please visit my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. You can choose each theme perfect for birthday celebrations, baby showers, bridal showers, groom showers or any other celebrations. Consider these theme decor matching the occasions. Whether simple or beautiful cake showcase love and celebrations. I am sure cake decoration ideas from this video. All the designs are very unique and trending. All over modern way to celebrate your birthday celebrations, birthday party. I hope you enjoy my video. Whether simple or beautiful cake showcase love and celebrations. I am sure cake decoration ideas from this video. If you like any designs, and take screenshot of it, and also do try my amazing cake, beautiful cake recipe. They are so easy to make and absolutely delicious. If you want to see more make party decoration ideas, cake decoration ideas, then please visit my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone. See you tomorrow with a new video. Until take care of yourself and people around you. Allah Hafiz.